Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathyMath number 71a.
MathyMath number 71a. So yesterday we looked at a really interesting geometry problem from the, I think it was the 2008 AMC 10A. And this said you had a right triangle, the perimeter was 32, the area was 20. Actually, we're going to use A later, so I'll be clear, area. I mean, what is the hypotenuse? Is the question. Okay. How did we solve this problem?
Well, if you call the triangle sides A, B, and C, C is the hypotenuse.
Okay.
A and B are the two other sides. Then you get a few equations. You get A plus B plus C is 32.
Okay. A plus B plus C is 32. That's the perimeter.
And A times B is 40. Because A times B over 2 is 20.
Okay, A times B is 40.
And A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared from the Pythagorean theorem.
Okay, so we actually have three equations and three unknowns, so there was hope that we could solve these. Okay, but solving it was difficult, and I had to show you what to do. Do you remember? Do you remember what I did here?
Well, you moved C to the other side and substituted for C. Then you made an equation for C out of this equation.
Okay. So I said A plus B is 32 minus C.
And then C equaled the square root of A squared plus B squared.
Okay, so in order to write this out, I'm going to have to erase. So C was this, so 32 minus the square root of A squared plus B squared. Okay. And what did I do now?
Well, now you squared everything so that maybe we could get rid of this.
Okay. So what did I get when I squared everything?
On this side, you get A squared plus 2AB plus B squared.
Can you just check and make sure that's on camera?
Yeah.
Okay. What do I get when I square this side?
So it's 32 squared minus 2 times 32 times A times the square root of A squared minus B squared.
A squared what?
A squared plus B squared. And then last term would be this squared.
Okay.
So that would be A squared plus B squared.
So what is the thing when you multiply it all up?
I mean this.
Yeah. So say it right from the beginning, starting with 32 squared.
So should I multiply that out?
No.
Or, so 32 squared minus 64 times the square root of A squared plus B squared.
Okay.
And then plus A squared plus B squared.
Okay, so you didn't say the plus last time. So I wanted to make sure you knew that was a plus. Okay.
Well, now there's some simplifying there.
Yeah, now there's some very happy coincidences.
So the A squared and B squareds are on both sides.
The A squareds and B squareds cancel. What else is a very happy coincidence?
Well, we know what A times B is.
What was it?
It was 40.
It was 40.
So we know that 80 equals this mess here.
Okay, so again, sorry for having to erase everything. We know that 80 equals 32 squared minus 2 times 32 times what?
Times...
What is the square root of A squared plus B squared?
It's C.
It's C, which is what we're looking for. So now, that one little step turns our whole problem into just simply solving a linear equation.
Well, you can divide everything by 16.
Okay.
Because you have a lot of 2's and everything. This turns into 5.
5. Okay, so what is 32 squared divided by 16?
64.
Okay, how did you know that?
Because it's 32 times 32 over 16.
Okay.
32 times 2. And then minus 4 times C.
Okay. So what did C end up equaling?
59. So the well, this equaled 50. Well, C is 59 fourths. Because 64 is 59.
Okay, so that's tricky algebra. It even took us close to 5 minutes just to review it. But what we're really going to talk about today is a geometric solution.
All right.